Hello and welcome back to GW Add-ons. Your workshop was a success, and your attendees are energized. But now comes the admin, manually creating and emailing hundreds of participation certificates. It's slow, prone to errors, and delays the value your participants receive. Smart Certificates is here to automate your accreditation process entirely. With Smart Certificates, you can provide professional credentials in real time. The moment your attendees submit their feedback or session evaluation, their personalized certificate is waiting in their inbox. Encourage higher feedback rates by linking your certificate to your evaluation form. Smart Certificates pulls the attendee's data and specific session details directly from the form. It generates a high-quality PDF and delivers it instantly. It's a seamless way to thank your participants and provide them with immediate professional proof of their time spent. Need more security? For professional certifications, use the Pro plan to add unique QR codes. This allows employers or governing bodies to verify the certificate's authenticity instantly. It adds a layer of trust and credibility to your training program, making your brand stand out as a leader in professional development. Smart Certificates post-burnout ensures 100% data accuracy and keeps all your records securely organized in Drive for future auditing. Elevate your events and respect your attendees' time. Automate your credentials with Smart Certificates today. Find us on the Google Workspace Marketplace or visit gwaddons.com to learn more.